Hello students, welcome to the class with Sister Josephine. I am going to deal with the class 4 English grammar, and today we are going to begin with the lesson 3. The lesson is singular and plural nouns, part 1. Before we begin, let us see this poem as it is in your textbook on page number 14. Read the following poem. When I was sick and lay abed, I had 2 pillows at my head, and all my toys beside me lay to keep me happy all the day. So here the poet is telling that when he was sick and he was laying on the bed, he had 2 pillows at my head, at his head side, and he kept his toys also beside him, and that they kept him happy all the day. That's the first paragraph means. And sometimes for an hour or so, I watched my leader soldiers go with the different uniforms and drills among the bedclothes through the hills. So from his bed sometimes he used to watch the soldiers marching from far distance, and they used to be in different uniforms, and they used to do the drills. And among the bedclothes through the hills means from his bed he was watching through the hills the soldiers marching ahead. That's what the second paragraph means. And sometimes sent my ships in fleets all up and down among the sheets, or brought my trees and houses out and planted cities all about. So this is some activities that he was doing. He used to take out his toys, ships and fleets, and up and down he used to keep them among the sheets, and he brought his trees and houses out and planted cities all about. This is what some activities he was doing sometimes with these toys. So here is the poem, and here in this poem whatever words are here highlighted with the yellow color, they are in plural form. They all are in plural form. Pillows, head, of course it's a singular, toys, soldiers, uniforms, drills, bedclothes, hills, ships, fleets, sheets, houses, trees and cities. So these highlighted words are plurals. Now before we begin, let us know some rules of the singular and plural nouns. Here we go. Singular nouns are made plural nouns. Rule number 1. By adding s to the singular noun. By adding s to the singular noun. Examples: pillow, pillows. Only we have added one s. Toy, toys. Soldier, soldiers. So see, this is the simplest plural form by adding only one s to the noun. The second rule is by adding es to the singular noun ending with the letters s, ch, sh, x and o. So this is a second rule where the nouns are going to end with s, ch, sh or x and o. So here we add the es for the plural form. Example: ending with s, glass, glasses. Ending with the ch, watch, watches. Ending with the x, box, boxes. Ending with the sh, brush, brushes. Ending with o, mango, mangoes. So these are the examples for this second rule. Third rule, by adding ves to the singular nouns ending with the letters f or fe. F or fe, and we add ves. For example, thief. Thief is ending with the f. So here the plural form becomes ves. Thief, thieves. Here knife. This is ending with the fe. So here it is knife, and knives, the ending word is ves. So we join ves to the plural nouns. Leave, leaves, ending with the ves. So this is the third rule. The first rule is adding s to the singular noun. The second rule is adding es to the singular nouns, and the third one is adding ves. But here the ending words, the ending letters will be different and different. So these are 3 rules. Here we go with the fourth rule. By adding ies to the singular nouns ending with the y. Ending with the y. Now when it comes to the y part, there are 2 different types again. The first one is, however, if a noun ends with y and has a consonant before y, then y is replaced with ies. Now we have studied in the smaller classes what are the consonants and what are the vowels. So here, if a noun ends with y and has a consonant before y, then y is replaced with ies. This is the rule with the ies. For example, here baby and babies. Here Here is a consonant. Here it is ending with a consonant. So here we are using the IES. Baby, babies. Fly, flies. City, cities. So here it's ending with the consonant word. So before it is having a consonant word. So we are ending with the IES. For example, baby, babies. Fly, flies. City, cities. So these are ending with the IES. Now the second part of it. However, if a noun ending with Y and has a vowel before it, the plural noun is made by adding only S to the noun. So here this is another part. If it is going to end with a vowel, we don't add IES, we add only S. For example, toy, T-O. Here is the O is the vowel. So it is a toy, toys. Boy, boys. Key, keys. Here also the vowel is O. Here the vowel is key. So these are some of the examples. When it comes to the IES, we have to remember whether it is having a consonant or a vowel, and accordingly we change it into IES or adding S to this singular to plural nouns. So these are some of the rules that we have to keep in mind when we change the singular nouns into plural nouns. So let's see some examples as it is in your textbook, page number 15. Write the plural forms of the following nouns. So here I have given already the answers. You can write it in your textbook. Donkey, donkeys. So here we see because I have not added IES because before the Y there is E. It is a vowel. So donkey, donkeys. Catch, catches. It is ending with the CH and I have ended with here ES. Spies, spies. Here it is Y. So the Y has changed into IES. Spies. Wife, wives. Here the ending with FE. So it is changed into VES. Wife, wives. Tongue, tongues. Bookshelf, bookshelves. Here it is ending with the F and here it is changed into VES. Palace, palaces. Key, keys. Life, lives. Fairy, fairies. Elbow, elbows. Lady, ladies. Eskimo, eskimos. Stick, sticks. Knee, knees. Loaf, loaves. Flower, flowers. Tray, trays. Prince, princess. Shoulder, shoulders. Sorry, S is missing here. Tomato, tomatoes. Sock, socks. Check, checks. Speech, speeches. So the rules that we read just before, so those things are applicable for these words. Here we go with the next exercise in your textbook, page number 15. Write the following sentences by filling in the plural forms of the nouns given in the brackets. So here it's like fill in the blanks in your textbook and the keywords are given in the bracket here down. And we use this word and changing into the plural forms as it is in the fill in the blanks. Now first one, they use bows and arrows to shoot wild animals. So here the clue word was given arrow and animal. So here arrows and animals adding simple S. Ali used to make beautiful. Here the keyword was kite. So the answer is kites. In autumn most trees shed their, the keyword was leaf. Here the answer is leaves. So the F has changed into VES. King Dashratha had 3 dash. Here the keyword is wife. So here the plural becomes wives. FE changing into VES. Wife, wives. Babies must be fed every 4 hours. The keyword was baby. So it becomes babies. IES. Ending with IES. Mumbai, Kolkata and Chennai are big dash. The keyword is city. So the answer is cities. Roses and berries grow on bush. So here the keyword is bush. The answer should be bushes. Number 8. The West Indies will play many dash in India. The keyword is match. So the answer is matches. Who are your favorite dash? The keyword is hero. The answer is heroes. So here it is ending with O and we have added with the ES. Mosquitoes lay eggs on water. The keyword was mosquito. So we have changed the answer into mosquitoes lay eggs on water. Dash loves sweets. The keyword is fly. So the answer is flies. Y has changed into IES. Flies love sweets. The farmer ran after the dash. The keyword is buffalo. We have changed the answer into buffaloes. The policeman arrested dash. The keyword is thief. So the answer is thieves. They use horses for ploughing fields. The keyword was a horse. So we have already changed it into horses. Dash are strong animals. The keyword is donkey. The answer is donkeys. Donkeys are strong animals. So these are the two examples that we studied. Hope you have understood. Write this exercise in the notebook, in your textbook, and learn them. Both you write the answers in the textbook as well as in the notebook and learn them. In the next class, we shall see the other exercise in the next pages. Stay healthy and learn easily. Thank you.